case briefs, and so much more. LSData's got what you're looking for.
In 1885, the United States Supreme Court heard the case of Barbier v. Connolly, a milestone lawsuit that revolved around the power of government to enforce rules promoting public health and safety, provided those rules did not discriminatorily target certain groups. A San Francisco ordinance, which sought to restrict the operation of public laundries and wash houses during overnight hours, was brought into question by a collective of laundry business owners. They argued the ordinance overstepped its bounds, violating the 14th Amendment, a constitutionally guaranteed protection of equal rights for all individuals. The primary task facing the court involved determining whether the late-night operation restriction was discriminatory and unconstitutional in nature. Justice Field, who delivered the majority opinion, ruled that the ordinance clearly fell under the municipality's police regulation authority. The decision recognized the restriction as a critical safety measure in a city largely constructed from wooden buildings, posing a significant fire risk. The court declared that the ordinance did not discriminate, as it affected all laundry business owners uniformly. Ultimately, the court upheld the ordinance, asserting the correctness of the lower court's judgment. The late-night restrictions imposed on laundry businesses were deemed constitutional, considering the public health and safety risks. Thus, the court confirmed the government's authority to enforce regulations that serve the public good, even if they may seem inconvenient, as long as they observe equal rights of all citizens.
Case briefs, and so much more. LSData's got what you're looking for. Visit lsd.law, elevate your mind. Leave the stress of class.